Hi, I'm Patricia, and welcome to my creative space. Today we're going to create a snowflake ornament, and I've got my clay here rolled out onto a thickest setting on my Atlas 150. And I have my clay sitting on a piece of parchment paper, and I'm going to dust the cutter and cornstarch to keep it from sticking. I'm just going to take my brush and powder around the edges of the snowflake. Now I'm just tapping off the edges of the cookie cutter and placing it on my clay. And I will try to put firm, even pressure on the snowflake. It's a pretty good size. So I'm going to stand up to do this. And I will take my acrylic block and make sure that I've got it good and cut through. Doing a little wiggle. Let's just do it. I'll remove the snowflake and see what we got. And it looks great. Very impressed by the cut. Okay, and now I'm just going to bake this in the oven at 275 for 1 hour. Alright, it's done now in the oven, and I realized I forgot to make my hole in it. So now I'm going to have to drill my hole. And I'm going to start out with a small drill bit. I'm going to go through both sides to make the hole look nice and clean. And I can't find my larger drill bit, so I end up just using the same one to make it bigger. So I'm just going to put it in there and then start going in small little circles to make it bigger. And I'm going to do it on both sides. Make sure it looks nice. Maybe just a tad bit bigger. And it looks good. So now I'm going to sand. I'm going to start out with 400 grit, working my way all the way up to 10,000 grit. And I'm going to do this on both the front and the back. And as you know, on the back it's really going to help get rid of that edge that the plastic cutter left behind. Okay, and now I'm just going to add some nail tape to my snowflake, trying to make it look like a snowflake even more when I do the design. And I've sped this up so it's not so boring, but I want you to be able to see how I laid it out. And to this one, it's kind of like one of my past tutorials, but I do add a sticker, a snowflake sticker in the center of the big snowflake. So there's that. Okay, and here you can see I forgot to turn my camera back on, and I've already started painting with my watercolor. And I'm just going from a dark blue to a light blue in the center. And I'm just dabbing it around. And that's all I'm doing. Okay, now it's dry. I'm just going to start peeling the tape off. Okay, now it's time to put the resin on, and today I am using Lisa Pavelka Magic Gloss. And again, I have sped this up for you so it's not so boring. Okay, and now it's all the UV light, and now I'm going to add the middle coat on. And again, I've sped this up. Okay, now it's all UV light and time to do the edges. And the edges I am doing with DeepShine from Tiny Pandora. And you can find that at our website, which will be in the links below. Okay, I'm just about done making the hook. There we go. A little bit more tweak, and then that should do it. And there we go. And I'm really pleased with how it came out. It's really beautiful. I love it. I think she's gonna love it. And that's it for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And happy holidays from our family to yours. And I hope you have a blessed new year. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.